Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Stripe to protect customer data access, complete guide step by step clearly. Visit the Stripe website at stripe.com. Click on the Start Now button to begin the registration process. Fill in your email address in the provided field. Create a strong password that meets the security requirements. Click on the Create Your Account button to proceed. Verify your email address through the confirmation link sent to your inbox. Log into your new Stripe account using your email and password. Complete the onboarding questionnaire to set up your profile. Provide your business information, including name, address, and type. Enter your tax ID or social security number where required. Add your banking details for payments to be deposited. Set up security measures like two-factor authentication for added protection. Review Stripe's terms of service and privacy policy. Accept the terms to continue the registration process. Navigate to the dashboard to explore the features. Set up your payment methods to accept customer transactions. Check the security settings to protect customer data access. Integrate Stripe with your website or application as needed. Test the integration using Stripe's test mode to ensure everything works smoothly. Go live by switching from test mode to live mode. Regularly monitor your transactions for any suspicious activity. Ensure you stay compliant with data protection regulations by reviewing your practices. Keep customer data secure by implementing additional security protocols as necessary. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.